Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Litecoin every 5 minutes. This much Litecoin every 5 minutes this website pay. First of all, go to your faucet pay, copy your Litecoin wallet address from faucet pay. I go to deposit, come down. This my Litecoin wallet address. I click copy. Okay, and come here and paste it in here. Okay. Oh, sorry. This my Litecoin wallet address. Copy and come in here. Paste the Litecoin wallet address in here and just click login. After that, just click continue. And in here, you first of all solve this capture and then solve this capture. Okay, there's a 2 capture in here, you can solve it. And this is for first one. Okay, click it. Come down. This is for second one. Third one. Fourth, and just click solve the capture and just click verify. And this website pay me this my Satoshi of Litecoin instantly to my faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay and you can see I receive my withdrawal from this website. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.